Welcome back to Level Up Awareness. Today I'm going to be talking about making your own mind up and researching. So for me, it's so important to have a mind of your own and to basically be able to make your own mind up at all times, you know, instead of just kind of following the narrative or following what everyone else is doing. I think this is important in all aspects of your life, because sometimes you'll hear something that doesn't seem right from, you know, friends or family or from the news and even from newspapers, things like that, where you're like, hang on a minute, that doesn't seem right. I'm going to do a bit of research about this, you know. So basically just taking face value for everything, just believing everything you hear. So that's just very important, again, for me just to kind of put the message out there as well, to do your own research, because sometimes you'll hear something from someone, again, or newspapers or the news or whatever, and it's a bit off, all right? So I highly recommend doing your own research and making your own mind up with any little thing. Like you'll be surprised how much kind of knowledge and information is out there, which I guess that there's just so many people that don't even look for it. Like, the internet is just so broad and so large, and we can look for literally anything. The truth is out there, the answers are out there. So to kind of having a look for yourself with an open mind, I think that's very important. Again, it's not just for this moment, it's for any moment, you know. So I just highly suggest, there's been many times in my life where someone said something and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do a bit of research about it, and it's like, oh, there you go, it's pretty, you know, it's true, you know. So I think it's very important to do your own research and to make up your own mind. Alright, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Nice and short and sweet video here. I hope you liked it. If you like it, please give me a like, please subscribe for more videos, please share it if you think this video can help someone that you know. And as I say, level up awareness with an open mind, anything's possible. Peace and love, guys.